Okay. Hey guys, it's me. Hi.
Hi.
So what am I doing? Okay. So before this video starts, oh my god, my hair's ugly. Me and Kai have an announcement.
So, it's not a very big announcement, but basically we're trying to, make a couple of changes to our channel. Basically just upping our YouTube game. So at the moment I'm working on a new intro.
And I'm working on a profile picture.
And we're basically just going to up our game. So, better thumbnails, better quality, better lighting, Allegra.
Yeah.
And just, better in general. So...
And try not to be ill like me. So, because I haven't uploaded in a while, I have a video for you today. So, boom. Okay, so this is a Makeup Revolution London Pro Amplify Strobe and Highlighting Kit. And because strobe and highlighting has been one of the biggest trends this year, you can now achieve it with an amazing kit. So this set includes the Pro Amplified Strobe and Highlighting Palette, which is over here. Oh wait, no, it's there. Okay. The Strobe Cream, which is here, and a brush, which is here. And yeah, the back just tells you the ingredients and what's in it. And the packaging is actually gold. It's all rose gold and I love it. So, let me just open this bad boy. Take off the plastic. So this isn't new, I've already used it. I just kept the wrapping because I love it. On the sides you can actually open up. That's cool. But yeah. So let's get these bad boys out. And then strobe. And the brush. How did I get this brush from? I can't remember. Get heavy. Okay. So here's the packaging. And then it just says what it is down here, and then what the brush is. So the brush is a Pro HD strobe brush, and it's limited edition. So that's good. I have a limited edition brush. So first we'll go with the strobe cream. Actually no, we'll go with the brush because it's a really easy, quick thing to do. Oh, it's so soft. So this brush is so soft. And it's limited edition, and it's got a nude kind of stick, and then the rose gold metal that holds it in place, and then it's just got the pink fluffy brush. And so the white to the pink, and it's actually so soft. I've already used it many times. So now we'll go with the Ultra Strobe Cream. I forgot to show you that. Okay. So it's got limited edition engraved there. But yeah, and it's really soft. I've said that many times. Here's the strobe, the Ultra Strobe Cream, and it's almost perfectly holographic, but not really, because it's so it's a twisty cap, just like that, and you don't need much. I got too much. And it's like a pearlescent white pea. That sounds wrong. It's like a pearlescent cream substance, and it's just so you can highlight your face and just illuminate your face completely. Pretty cool. Okay. So, as I said, it's very pearlescent.
I can tell.
Yeah.
By the way, guys, I'm still here.
Huh?
I'm still here.
Oh, yeah, Kai's still here, yeah. But yeah, it just makes your skin really glow. You can't actually see it because of my terrible lighting, and there it is.
Yes, I like red. You
Yes,
need to get some lighting.
I should. I need to. Okay. That's a strobe cream. Yeah. Yep. It's pretty cool. Now to the bad boy himself. I'm gonna sleep on it real quick. Oh, my hair's looking ratty today. Okay. I love this. So this is this is a strobe and highlighting kit in itself, and then it just tells you the ingredients on the back, obviously, and then let's open this. So it's got highlighting and strobe and cream for all skin colours. Very good. Very good. So the top row, these are the strobe balms, and these are the highlighting powders. Let's just go through them. So the strobe balms, so friggin' gorgeous, you don't even know. So they're so pretty. Okay. So this is the first one. Where is it? Okay. To like find it. Okay, let's put a bit more on so it's not visible. It's very nice. Okay. So that's this one. And then let's go for the gold one. So yeah, they are so good, but they can't really pick up on camera. So if you're a vlogger or a YouTuber, and you're putting on makeup, then and you're going on camera, try put a lot on. We'll get actual good lighting. So you can't really see that one. It's more of a like a nudie goldish. So that was the last one, the gold one. This is the one we're on now. Let's go to this boy. I should probably be using the brush, but who cares? Okay. So it's this one. This one here. It's a really bronzy colour on your skin. Well, my skin anyway. Yeah. Let's just quickly get this off my hand. Okay, I'm just gonna rub it in with the brush, even though I probably shouldn't be using the brush for this, even though I just said 2 minutes ago that I should be using the brush. Don't worry, I'm just extra. Okay. Kai.
I like red.
Okay. So we're moving on to highlighting powders. Oh yeah, I put this was the last one that I did. So yeah, as I said, it's for all skin colours. This one I use for my inner eye because I'm weird. I'm not weird. A lot of people do it. Okay. So this is the first one. They remind me of eyeshadows, yeah, because highlight is basically eyeshadow. Yeah, well done, Lycra.
It's not, it's more blinding and metallic.
I don't know why I just did that. Yeah, let's put it on the brush. Brush. Okay. Okay, guys, I have a funny story. Kai didn't have any highlighter ones, so she used this really bad eyeshadow instead.
That's not even funny, and also it's not even true.
Yes, it is. You know when you came around my house for the first time, and then we went out town? No?
No, I used your strobe highlighter.
Yeah, because you only used eyeshadow before.
By the way, look, I just texted you on YouTube.
Ah, cool. That one's very pigmented. Wow. Okay, and then we'll go for the last one. These colours are so nice. Okay, so that's the bottom row. I just said I'm going to use like a beautiful specimen. So, I'm going to clean up, and then I'll be all good to go. I'm back. I got my new shirt on. What's on new? Put some lippy on. And I brushed my hair a bit. But yeah, so overall, I've rated the kit a solid 8 out of 10, because although I really liked the kit, the strobe cream's a bit oily for me anyway, and Kai's putting stupid faces on FaceTime. Okay, so yeah, I say it's an 8 out of 10. Kai, from what you heard, what would you rate it? You know you're muted, right?
Yeah, same as you. Yeah, the cream was a bit oily, so I just give it an 8.
Okay, an
And also,
8.
it's not very like travel friendly.
Yeah, not very good at traveling because it's obviously a bit big. This is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. Wait. Okay. Yeah, seriously. Thanks you for watching the video. Okay, no, seriously. Serious face. Guys drinking water is really funny. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching our video. Okay, no, literally go. Okay.
How many
Thanks,
times
guys.
have you said seriously today?
Huh?
How many times have you said seriously today?
I don't know. Can you end the video? Because I seriously can't. Seriously.
I don't know how to. Just say bye.
Bye.